During our visit to Cervia, we talked to Manuel Passaglia, technician of the Municipality of Cervia, who is responsible for the transformation of the Premi-Nobel Square. He told us that the renovation of this public square in the city of Cervia has been used as an occasion for adapting this urban space to new climate impacts, ensuring it will be livable and attractive for our citizens throughout all seasons. During the works, the old pavement was removed and substituted with water-absorbing concrete. Furthermore, he told us as soon as grounds works will be finished, trees of different types will be planted and rain gardens created, so that the square will have a permeable surface in all its parts. The square will allow rainwater to enter into the ground, rather than flooding streets and the sewage system, so it will store water to feed the plants and trees around the square. The hard surfaces of the square are needed for public events which are traditionally held on this square, Passaglia explained. Choosing a light color for these surfaces will help keeping the surface cooler than a dark surface would do, and also the trees to be planted will provide shade and have a cooling effect. In this way, Passaglia continued, several impacts related to climate change will be addressed. In its new shape, the square will help mitigating the effects of intense rainfall, provide shade during heat waves, and thanks to the water permeating into the soil, it will contribute to reducing the effect of saltwater intrusion. Obviously, Passaglia concluded, as we are talking about a very small surface compared to the overall city, nevertheless it will be the pilot guiding the city's future works, with more transformations of this kind to be undertaken in the future.